Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect LinkedIn to Bento in 2026. If you want visitors to easily access your LinkedIn profile from your Bento page, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Bento account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the profile or link page where you want to add your LinkedIn profile. Next, click the Add Link, Add Social Link, or Add Block button, depending on the options available in your Bento account. Then choose LinkedIn if it's listed as a supported platform. Now open LinkedIn in another browser tab and copy the URL of your personal profile or company page. Return to Bento and paste the full LinkedIn link into the required field. Next, enter a title for the link if needed, such as Connect on LinkedIn or simply LinkedIn. Choose a clear title so visitors know exactly where the link will take them. Now arrange the LinkedIn link in the position you prefer. Placing it near the top of your Bento page can make it easier for visitors to find. Before publishing, click Preview and test the LinkedIn link to make sure it opens the correct profile without any problems. Finally, save your changes and visit your public Bento page to confirm that your LinkedIn link is displayed correctly and works as expected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect LinkedIn to Bento step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.